this is Jessica Greene on another episode of Jessica the Fixer, and today I'm going to be demonstrating for you how I cut down this red oak. This particular oak, it has a disease on it. A lot of the trees in this particular area of northeast Oklahoma do, so it's not a tree that I want to keep. It is leaning in this direction and curved this way, so I'm going to try to get the tree to fall in this particular direction. I'm first going to start with a diagonal cut here, and then a horizontal cut underneath, and then coming in on the back side, and hopefully the tree will fall in the direction that I want it to. So here goes. Keep going!